In this video, we're discussing everything you need to know before March 14th when the Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester brick by brick officially drops this Friday. We're going through sneakers, US stock numbers, sneakers, EU UK stock numbers, still currently active raffles. We are discussing the EA that dropped, how many pairs were allocated here in EU, and also the SNKRS Pass that just happened today, literally like half an hour ago from the time I'm recording this. So here's everything you need to know. Buckle in, because you're gonna need all the help you can get if you want to sneaker for retail. Make sure you watch the entire video. Let's go. Alright, so just like I said in my previous video, the EA exclusive access happened over here in EU on the sneakers app March 12th at 9 o'clock in the morning, and 50% of the EU stock was erased. So, you know, we're gonna discuss those numbers because it just got a lot harder for EU sneakerheads. Yeah. Let's talk about it. As always, I wasn't allowed to unblur this image before the EA happened. If you want these images before, follow the link in the description. But Stashed Sneakers private Discord group reported that the EA had a total stock of 4,417 pairs in total. These are the sizes that are now completely gone, of course. And, you know, exclusive access, of course, it's true. You don't need any help really, because you can just get invited and, you know, you'll get a chance at getting this sneaker for retail. But what most people don't know is the new EA system that Nike implemented a couple of months back is really different from the last one. Truth is, Nike sends out way more invites than the actual stock that is ready for the exclusive access, which means you have all these people fighting over 4,000 pairs. In other words, even if you get the EA, it's not guaranteed that you'll get the sneaker for retail. Like, the chances are pretty minimal, to be honest, because you have about 60 seconds. So if you want to increase your chances, you got to be ready, and you got to know that the EA is gonna happen, so you don't miss it, because 60 seconds within a span of 24 hours in a day, you know, chances are you're gonna miss the window if you don't know about it. So you gotta be ready, or you can use the EA checker that I used over at Stashed Sneakers. For those who don't know the EA checker tool, they literally have a tool where you can find out if Nike sent out an invite to your account, which is crazy. I'm not gonna waste your time because I did an 8-minute video step-by-step tutorial on how exactly that works. I even checked if I myself got the invite for this sneaker. I'll leave the link in the description and also at the end screen. Make sure you check that video out. I'd highly recommend it because you got to be prepared. And if you don't want to take those steps, just, you know, watch YouTube, watch this channel or any other channels that announce an EA before it happens, and that way you can always be ready. So you got several options, buddy. Just pick one, because if you're just gonna, you know, not be ready at all, you're gonna, you know, you snooze, you lose. And as always, let us know if you got the invite and which size did you get. Let us know in the comments. We appreciate that. And moving on, I'm just gonna go through some raffles that are still currently active really fast. And if you're interested in any of these retailers, you know, just pause the screen and check them out. So here we go. EU first, we got Foot District. They are shipping, no prepayment. They end March 14th. 7 Store, they are shipping. Prepayment is required, and they also end on March 14th. NakedCPH.com, they are shipping, no prepayment required. They also end on March 14th. NClothing.com, they're also shipping, no prepayment. Deadline is March 14th. I also have the size by size stock. I can't really give you that yet, but I can tell you the total stock is around 700 pairs on NClothing.com. The Next Door is also shipping, no prepayment. They end on March 14th. Backdoor IT, they are shipping as well. Prepayment is required though. They end March 14th. And we got MahaAmsterdam.com. They are shipping as well, no prepayment. They also end on March 14th. And all of these end at either 8 o'clock in the morning or 12 o'clock in the morning. So, you know, you gotta be ready. And for my US viewers, every time a hype sneaker is released, just head over to sneakernews.com and, you know, they'll show you every single raffle that is available, as you can see on this list that I'm currently showing you. So I don't know which one of those are still active, but every time they have a sneaker, just head on over to sneakernews.com and check them out. I highly recommend that. Now let's talk about the sneaker pass that happened today. It happened in Milan, and I got the stock numbers for those as well. Around 680 pairs were released today, and of course, in order for you to pick up the sneaker, you have to live in Italy. There are some ways around that, but I'm not allowed to tell you yet. But I got some crazy information ready when I'm allowed to talk about it. Of course, that is courtesy of Stat Sneakers. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be huge. But anyway, the stock for the pairs that were released today, I don't have the entire size by size chart, but these sizes had most pairs, and the SNKRS Pass was active between 10:15 and it ended at 10:45. Those who don't know what the SNKRS Pass is, you have an image, you scan it, and then you show up at a location and you pick up your pair. So of course you have to physically be there, but there's ways around that, which is pretty scary, pretty interesting. More about that in a different video. Also, let me know if any of you subscribers actually happen to be a part of the SNKRS Pass and which size did you get. So the official release date is March 14th on the SNKRS app and select retailers. And we all know by now this sneaker is highly anticipated, highly hyped. The prices are going crazy on the secondary market. So not just regular sneakerheads are gonna fight over this, resellers are going for this one as well. And that is a tough competition. Talking about tough competition, we do have the stock numbers. Y'all saw the image, 50,000 pairs globally, which sounds pretty cool, right? But you remember the robberies, the train robberies, and all the thefts and backdooring that has been going on for the last couple of weeks? So, you know, more than likely, I think those 50,000 pairs are probably maybe 45,000 pairs globally, or even 40,000 pairs globally. Like it's a very backdoored sneaker at the moment, which is very unfortunate. I wish Nike could be transparent and just explain how many pairs were evaporated because of the backdooring and the robberies and all those stuff. But yeah, before all those incidents happened, the official stock was 50,000 pairs. Now let's talk about US SNKRS app, because I know you guys are itching to know, and I got some good news. Out of those 50,000 pairs, 30,138 pairs will be available tomorrow on the SNKRS app. I can't show you the size by size, and I can't unblur the image. If you want that weeks in advance, follow the link in the description. But 30,138 pairs, that's a lot. Some people may call me crazy, but I'm accustomed to the low stock numbers over here in EU. And I think 30,000 is, for this sneaker, considering the global stock, yo, that's a lot. So even though it's gonna be hard, you know, your chances are higher than over here in EU if you live in US. But let's talk about EU. Sheesh. You guys ready? Can anybody guess before I show this? All right, let's do this. 9,773 pairs. Always below, just below 10,000. We're accustomed. If you follow me on this channel, you know how disappointed I am over this. But still, considering the global stock, I mean, I guess it's not so bad. Could have been worse. Could have been 2,000 pairs or 700 pairs like the flu games. Remember that one? So I can't give you the size by size, but I can give you, you know what I can do? I can give you size 13, because I had a subscriber who had a size 13 over in US. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take a look at the US numbers and give you 13. Okay, so approximately, I can't give you the exact, but approximately 2,000 pairs will be available in your size, buddy. So, you know, good luck with that, because, you know, resellers, they like your size, brother, because they are the most profitable. I'm sorry about that. But hey, at least I got you back, right? And for EU sneakerheads, let's just choose a random number. Let's go with, should we do maybe 42? Okay, 847 pairs in size 42 for EU. Sorry about that one, but to be honest, that was a pretty low stock considering the other sizes. But yeah, I can't give you everything, but I can give you that. But there's a little plot twist when it comes to the EU sneakers stock, because remember the EA? I told you half of the EU stock went for the exclusive access. So the numbers that I just told you, slash those in half, buddy. That's right. We got half of it left for tomorrow. So good luck. And this is extremely important. It's a Leo drop tomorrow, so be ready before 9 o'clock. It is a 2-3 minute raffle, so be ready. Otherwise, you're gonna miss out. And I got some good news. I'm gonna record my entire morning tomorrow and do a live cop video, but you know, not live, it's gonna be a video. But I will record everything, document everything, and we're gonna see if I, myself, with the help of Stat Sneakers, will be able to get the sneaker for retail. It's gonna be very interesting. Oh man, because you need all the help you can get, bro. Like, even if you have tools and everything, you're still not guaranteed because, you know, the sneaker culture is back. But I'm gonna do my best to secure a pair, show you step by step how I did it. So don't miss that. Do not miss that. It's gonna be really interesting. I think it's gonna grow this channel extremely. I'm excited. I'm really excited for this year, by the way. Yo, there's so many stuff. I have so many ideas that I want to do. Like the unions, I got like 2-3 videos on that. So I'm excited. I hope you're excited as well. As always, if you win tomorrow, let us know which size, where you from. Appreciate that. Take care. Thank you for watching the entire video. I'll see you on the next one.